Hey everyone, I'm Leo and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Buckle up because today we're diving into the Sprleaf 4K dash cam front and rear with 24/7 monitoring, a must-have for anyone serious about road safety and capturing every moment on the drive. Let's hit the gas and check it out. First, let's talk about features. This Sprleaf dash cam records in stunning 4K for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, giving you crystal clear footage day or night. It's got a 170-degree wide-angle lens up front and 140 degrees for the rear, so you're catching almost everything around you. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi lets you connect to the Sprleaf app to view, download, or share clips right from your phone. Night vision with WDR keeps things sharp even in low light. The 24/7 parking mode records motion or impacts when your car's off, but you'll need a hardwire kit for that. It comes with a 64 GB SD card, supports up to 256 GB, and has loop recording to overwrite old files. Plus, the G-sensor locks important clips during collisions, and GPS tracks your speed and location. Now, the pros and cons. On the pro side, the 4K front camera is a standout. Details like license plates are super clear. The app is easy to use, and the included 64 GB SD card is a nice bonus. Night vision performs well, and the wide-angle lenses cover a lot of ground. The GPS and parking mode add peace of mind for daily drivers. On the downside, the hardwire kit for 24/7 monitoring isn't included, so that's an extra cost. Some users mentioned the rear camera's 1080p resolution isn't as sharp as the front. Also, the suction mount can loosen over time, especially in hot weather, so you might need to check it regularly. So, who's this for? If you're a commuter, rideshare driver, or just want solid evidence in case of accidents, the Sprleaf 4K dash cam is a great pick. The high-quality video, easy app control, and reliable features make it worth considering for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road. Want to grab this dash cam? Click the link in the description to check out the Sprleaf 4K dash cam front and rear at the best price through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional pricing waiting for you. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.